Why do affiliate marketing? Hi, George here. I just wanted to tell you today that affiliate marketing, a worldwide method of doing business, it's in every industry you can imagine. There's some that you wouldn't think of as affiliate marketing, but for instance, a car salesman is selling somebody else's product, and when they sell that product, they get a commission. And so with affiliate marketing, you don't have to create the product, you don't have to produce the product, you don't have to inventory the product, you don't have to distribute the product, you don't even have to collect the money for the product. All that can be handled by the product owner. And in addition, he will do all the customer service. So if there's any returns or any customer issues, they'll take care of that for you. And so as an affiliate marketer, your sole job comes down to marketing and selling, and when you make a sale, you collect a commission. There's a lot of advantages to that, as you might well imagine. There's also affiliate marketing where you can buy and inventory the product. Amazon is like that. You buy the product, you inventory it with Amazon. When they sell the product, they ship it, and so they take care of the shipping, they take care of the inventory, but of course there's some costs associated with that, and of course there's the cost of inventory up front. So there's a lot of different ways to do this. One of the ways probably hadn't thought of as affiliate marketing is a consignment job. People bring in their items, you put it on consignment, you decide what the price is with the owner, and when you sell the product, then the owner gets their cut and you keep a commission. So it's affiliate marketing. Also real estate agents, insurance agents, all are affiliate marketers. And so it's pretty widespread, and there's a lot of different ways you can do it. Now, if you do it with digital products, you can sell somebody else's digital product, a book, for instance, or a course, or something like that. You can sell it online, and they'll pay you a commission. All you have to do is go to the owner and get an affiliate link, and then when you sell through that affiliate link, you collect a commission. And so that's a pretty clean way to do it. And then you have all the advantages of affiliate marketing and almost none of the downside. Now, to do affiliate marketing right requires some tools. You're going to need an autoresponder. You're going to need some way of making landing pages. And there's a few other things that you might need. But in order to get ahead of the crowd, in order to differentiate yourself as being a step ahead of everyone else, you really need to have a hub, which is your home on the internet. Now, a hub is more than a website. A hub is a website. A hub is also funnels, which are landing pages and confirmation pages and that type of thing. It can do a lot of different things. You can have a VIP club where you do special trainings and get-togethers with the VIP. And I will have a follow-on video that will tell more about a hub and what it is and how you would go about preparing that. So that's it for here on affiliate marketing. I hope you got real value out of this. I'd invite you to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell so you'll be notified when I make future videos. I will see you on a future video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.